Two Real Geeks here today at Animal Kingdom. We're gonna take you in. We actually got a fast pass for Flight of Passage today. You know, I'm really excited about that. To get into that whole Avatar area, it's gonna be a lot of fun. Go have some fun. Hakuna Matata. About to enter Pandora. So we've been to Batu. Now we're about to enter Pandora. So we're just galactic travelers here. I have to say the sound of walking into these different lands in Disney have been amazing. Like legit to the T. Like I feel like I'm on Pandora right now with the sound. Wow. That's impressive. How do you feel about the floating mountains there?
That is really cool.
That is.
They did an amazing job.
So awesome. Wow. That is so cool. I can't, like, I'm blown away by this.
So, going up. And look around for everyone. And here's the house.
That's right. Hey, look. Even that guy showed up. And that guy never shows up for anything.
Wow, check this. So the mountain has actually got water up there and everything dripping on us. The most detailed queue I've ever seen is right here for the Flight of Passage. So cool. This, the bridge, you go over, you can't even really see the bridge. It's all themed in really well.
Yeah, if there's no people on it, it's hard to even.
Right, right. This is the actual seat for the Flight of Passage. So you sit down in this thing and it's actually really tight. I'm not even gonna lie, this is a tight seat.
Remember, Danny's a giant also.
Yeah.
Danny's like 6.5 feet tall, so.
It feels tight in here. So, but it's kind of cool. I mean, it's cool looking at least, so I enjoy that. And it is padded for your legs. There is padding for your legs here too. So,
Awesome. Here we go.
so we're about to get on Navi River here. Flow through the rivers of Pandora. Jessie's doing her little dancing dance over here. Her little Pandora avatar dance, I guess. So, let's go on a boat ride. I think it's an underrated ride. I definitely would speak it up a lot more than people have been.
I mean, very chill, you know,
Right.
relaxing time, but it's
Right.
beautiful.
Yeah.
And it's definitely a nice
That was Lauren?
good way to,
Yeah. Flying passage now. You ready for this? We're ready to get on a Banshee. Fly around Pandora. Whoa. It's like we're walking through Pandora right now, coming up the mountains and everything. I feel like I'm really walking up to my Banshee right now. This is awesome. Floating mountains over here. This is the bridge we were showing you from before. That is so cool. Check this out on the wall. This is awesome. That's an awesome poster. That's like that is the best recruitment poster ever. That's so cool. Jess, did you want to become an avatar? I do look like an avatar. Sounds like so much fun.
To undertake an amazing Navi Ride of Passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an ikron, or as we call it, a banshee. The way you're going to do this is by being matched to something called an avatar. And I'm here to help you guys get ready. But first, we have to scan you for Pandoran microparasites. Alright everyone, stay on your number and move your arms a bit. Okay, start scan. You've all got them. But don't worry, they're very common around these parts. Let's start the decon.
Initiating GMR decon.
Stand still over your number, you're not going to feel a thing. You're doing great. Almost done here. To get you flying on the need to find each of you an avatar. Let's prep the genetic sampling.
I'm on it.
Okay, first we need to find the compatible match of your genetic material with the genetic material of one of the avatar bodies that we already have. Once we do that, you'll be able to link to that avatar and fly. Help us out and move around a bit. Almost. Yes, got it. Now, let's find you your avatar matches.
I'm 11. I'll probably have 10 years head.
You were the first one they matched as an avatar.
All right.
Because I'm a
We've all
natural
been matched with avatars. Looks like they're ready for you in the next room. When the door opens, please go inside, all the way in, and stand over the same number that you're standing
Once
over
the
now.
link takes place, you'll be connected to your avatar and sitting on the back of an Ikron. It'll feel like you're really there. Moments later, you'll begin your flight. A Navi guide will lead you out. You'll experience the breathtaking beauty of Pandora, but you might also face some of its greatest challenges. Some of this flight might be intense, but trust your guide and be brave. As the Navi say during this important rite of passage, Sivak Hope, rise to the challenge. Good luck.
All right, you ready? Let's get you to the link.
Oh geez, this thing vibrates too? Oh my gosh! What was that? I'm awake now. What? Oh, yeah. Come into a battle already. You can smell Pandora. The Banshee is breathing. Do you feel it? Flight of Passage, how was it? It was amazing. Feeling Banshee breathing as you're going. Just to feel the Banshee breathe as you're flying on it was so awesome. I've never felt it. It actually kind of freaked me out at first. I was like, what is that? And then I realized what it was. Yeah, like the smells of Pandora, the water coming up as you're splash. Awesome VR ride I've never been on per se. More need to be like that, honestly. Like, I think this is the new feature of VR rides, and I'm liking where that's going on. So, definitely. So, you know, typical Disney style, they drop you into a gift shop. Oh wow, blueberry almond popcorn. So yeah, if you get
all of the
Avatar theme.
snacks and things like that that you can get in Pandora.
Yeah. What's that? They're either gummies, but oh wow, the fruits.
Celia fruit.
The Celia fruits. Wow. Of course, you got your normal sweatshirts and tank tops and hats. What you find there, Jess? That's kind of cool. Yeah, that's awesome. I'm liking the backpack here too.
Cool.
And the shirt. Don't feed wild animals. Stay on well-established trails. No fires and stand your ground. Get your stuffed Banshee on over here. You can actually look like an avatar. That's great. They're saying that no two of these t-shirts would actually be the same. So you are legit your own avatar. That is cool. Wow.
It's the black light, the bioluminescent section.
The bioluminescence section.
A little Banshee nesting area back there in the corner.
Don't get in your way.
Nope, you're fine.
All these Banshees.
Are they awesome?
Hi, how are you? Up close so you can see. This land is super detailed. Every inch of it is something special, it's really beautiful. And like we've definitely seen Avatar. We like it. We're not like maniac Avatar fans or anything like that. But this land is super cool, like so much that I think we're gonna change our plans for the day. How you doing? It's like a little Banshees move like Crumb in Star Wars land. And you can hang them on your shoulders. Thank you. Alrighty, we're gonna head on over here. Oh, you could buy a little stand for your Banshee too. A Banshee perch.
So cool, you can get your Banshee a perch. That is awesome. So the Banshees are actually $59.99, or you can get two for $99.99.
See it, right? Y'all see it. You know you see it. You know you see it. These little Navi babies are super cute, and I kind of like them. I don't know. Cool. I'm gonna get Danny a tail and some ears, and I guess he can have a little drum and a bow and arrows, a Navi Globo, and some jewelry for Danny. We're gonna make him a straight up Navi. Yep, exactly. The game probably had a hard time picking your avatar because they all look like you.
Ready to go see Pandora come to life at night? Let's go check this out. Yeah, we're definitely alive here in Pandora. To really come to life at night out here. This is awesome. Alright guys, ready? Yeah, so it's pretty alive here on Pandora right now. Things have definitely come to life. So
Super amazing here.
Yeah.
Like the difference between night and day
yeah,
is night and
so we reposition ourselves to show you from the beginning of Pandora to the back on what a difference it is when you first walk into this land, coming from the main gate here in Animal Kingdom. I'm sure you can hear, like, there's different sounds around us, certain stuff right now. Like, there's things deep in the woods over here that are all lit up. We're gonna take you along. Here we go. This is literally coming to life now. You guys can still see the steam coming out the top, and then it steams over here and then shoots water out the top. All you gotta do is, brother, check the river bay out. Like, I know this video probably does not do what it needs to do for you guys to understand what this really is being here. Right, Jess?
Yeah. You really have to see it.
This is
Close and personal.
Yeah, this is one of those things you really have to be here in person to really understand what people are talking about with Avatar Land and how different and how it comes to life. Because right now this is its own attraction in its own here in Animal Kingdom. It really is.
Hey, bro.
So we're gonna go down here by the rivers of. We'll come down here by the rides. Yeah, they got stands all over the place in here too for you to buy, you know, a little snack and everything. But it's really not standing out like a sore thumb. Here's what you guys want to see right now too, is the floating mountains. It's amazing right now against that night sky. The Pandora trek we're going to take you on.
Sorry if this video doesn't have as much chatter.
Yeah, but
We're like astounded. Like,
it needs.
seeing the ground is glowing, it's gorgeous.
Yeah, you really can't see much of it on camera. Maybe right there a little, you can see it, but yeah, it's all over.
Like green and purple.
Yeah. When we go on the trek over here, it should glow a lot more. It should show. It was pretty dense foresty area.
You know what? But you guys are constantly on your phone. It's driving me nuts. Okay?
Look at Pandora. I don't think you can see me.
Alright guys.
Thanks for hanging out.
Yes, guys, it was a great night. But it was a really great day here in Arizona. Period. Like, you know, during the day we were here, nighttime.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, like honestly, I would never have. Wow, these things moving around with the tree. I didn't realize. That's awesome. But guys, thanks. We are out of here. Later.